Located at the central Travancore's lifeline river, Meenachil source Peringulam near Poonjar, 8 acres of prime land are now available for sale. With 700 feet of river frontage on the banks of Meenachil, this remarkable property is perfect for resorts, villa projects and educational institutions. The plot offers a unique blend of natural beauty and strategic positioning, being just 10 kilometers away from Vagamon, a major tourism center in Kerala. The property is well connected to key facilities with churches, temple just 3 kilometers away. In addition, 4 nationalized banks and schools are within AC reach, and Poonjar Engineering College is only half kilometers from the site. For more information, please contact +91 944 6197 552. For WhatsApp +001 732 301 4241.